Hello everyone, this is my review of this Veehoo 2-in-1 Dog House, which is an excellent choice for pet owners looking for a comfortable and durable solution for their dog. My dog loves it. The elevated cot design keeps my dog off the ground, which is perfect for indoors and outdoor use. The breathable mesh windows provide great ventilation, especially during warmer days, and the sunshade is fantastic for keeping my dog cool and protected from the sun. It's easy to assemble. It has clear instructions and diagrams to follow, and I appreciate how lightweight it is, making it simple to move around the yard or take on trips with you. The waterproof mesh will hold up well in the elements, and I love how it offers both shade and shelter while keeping my dog comfortable. The doghouse is a great blend of practicality and comfort, whether for outdoor relaxation and for like a cozy retreat. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.